may experience some of the best food and iconic sites that Nashville has to offer on the Bites and Sights tour. Here we are at our first stop in this beautiful historic building where we're gonna try some Southern food and learn the stories behind it.
Okay guys, this is our version of fried green tomatoes.
Whoa.
Quintessential Southern biscuits and gravy.
A lot of hospitality, a lot of Southern hospitality going on now. Fisk University students protested peacefully here by sitting at the lunch counter, and that's what helped us start desegregation.
Our guide is full of so many insights that we would have missed walking around on our own.
Hot chicken on waffles is definitely just a Nashville food, so.
All right, we just got to Cafe Lula's where you're gonna have some hot chicken. This is the dish that Nashville is known for.
Let's dig in, see if it's all it's cracked up to be. The spices like hit you right away. Oh, but it's so full of flavor. Going all to the local spots, I love it. That's a big pig.
The perk of visiting these locations on a tour is the portions are just the right size to be able to try something new at every stop without becoming full before the end.
That's tender. Barely holds itself together. That's good, man.
All right, last stop on the tour. Let's head in and get some dessert.
It's great to walk around and see all the little things that you don't notice when you're driving through a city. And a lot of the places that we went to have been around for multiple generations, and it's always cool to kind of have a different appreciation for what you're eating.
Thank you. Okay, maple cashew.
Well, the tour is coming to a close, and can I just say, this has been an amazing way to experience Nashville. From the delicious food to the sights, and then of course the local history. This has been an excellent day.